Today's hack is long form blogs. I love long form blogs for that one reason, which is you're going to give in-depth information to somebody who's looking for it. It's not a 300 word post, it's not 500 words, it's not 800. You're looking at 2,000 to maybe 10,000 words, right? That's long form. We call this pillar pages. There's skyscraper pages. There's different names for it, but what it really does is help somebody who's in really good need of what you have to offer, but it solves the whole entire thing. What is it? Your product or service? Who needs it? What do they do in the marketplace today? How are you different? How to execute it? How to measure it? You literally go deep into your niche and your product and your ideal customer's pain, create valuable content that I would easily share with my community. So it's built really for SEO. It's to help you get the right kind of customers coming to your website and actually rank. People will link to valuable content that's long form. So if you're thinking about really scaling long term, here's what you need to do. Create long form content for your agency that is niche specific and whatever the pain is. If you don't know what pain your customers are going through, start calling 5, 10, 15 people that are not your customers. Simply do some market research and say, hey, I'm already working in your niche and I'm trying to improve my program. I got a couple of questions for you. What challenges are you trying to solve, right? When it comes to customer acquisition, what are your biggest challenges? And you start creating content about how to overcome those challenges, specifically list them out and give solution to it using your services or other services so you can really cover a lot of ground with long form content. So if you're gonna be in the SEO game long term, you have to crack the code on long form blogs. You have to really figure out that people will advertise their long form blogs because people just love the content, they bookmark it, they share it, and in the middle of it, they have some lead magnets and they will fill that form out. So if you can create content that is gonna solve their problem, give them tremendous amount of value, not only will they bookmark it and share it and fill out the form, they're likely to work with you because you're the first person that solved or they talked about their pain and actually give solutions to whatever their problems are. Long form content. Don't create 300 words, 800 words, and massive amounts of posts. Instead, invest in 1, 2, 3, 4 pillar pages a month, and you start to see what happens from a ranking perspective and lead generation perspective. It's extremely powerful. We do it for clients from an SEO perspective, but for you as an agency owner, I need you to start doing this for yourself. It's the ultimate hack if you want to be in the long-term SEO game for you and your agency. All right, so thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time.